Hey Thinksters, and welcome to this quick video where I want to show you below 2 minutes how to check if a file exists in Python. So say you want to check whether this file is stored, like this code file. It's a file itself. This code script. It's stored in the file with name code.py. You can see it here at the top. Okay. So now I want to check whether this file exists or not on my operating system. So I simply call the print statement. In the print statement, I call the method os.path.exists and pass main.py, or say, let's say code.py. This is the file on which we are currently coding, and this gives me a boolean value. Let's refresh this. Okay, this gives me a boolean value, true or false, whether the file exists or not. Okay, so in this case it exists. Say we have like a dummy folder in between which doesn't actually exist on my operating system, then we get the value false. Okay, so this is the most Pythonic way to check if a file exists in Python, but there's a caveat. You shouldn't actually do it in many cases, because usually you want to do this like you want to have something like if file exists, do something with the file. Okay, so something like this. I mean, this is only pseudocode, it doesn't work, but this is a problem. If you do this, then here this first method may return true, and at the underlying, at the operating system, another thread may change the file, may even delete the file, because you have no control in your program. I mean, it happens on your operating system. Other programs run on the operating system as well, and the user. So the file may be deleted actually. So, and therefore you shouldn't do this, because then do something assumes that the file exists, but it may not even exist. Okay, so the better way is to just basically just do the following. So you can use a try except statement. You simply open the file with the file name, say file.txt, and then here you can do something with the file. If it doesn't exist, it cannot even open, and then you can close it. And if it doesn't exist, you have the except statement, so you can catch the exception file not found error, and you can print something like file does not exist, something like this. Okay, so if you run this code, then it gives us nothing, because the file exists obviously, and yeah, otherwise, so if the file does not exist, then it will throw an error like, let's check, file does not exist. Okay, so this is the most Pythonic way. You to open the file, use the method os.path.exists to but you shouldn't do it. You should actually use a try except statement. It's efficient and it's very Pythonic to do this. Okay, thanks for watching to this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.